And then the next temptation was what? He was brought up in the summit, and then he was tempted to, what is that? You know what? I'll give you everything in this world. You see those vineyard, olive yard, mansions, chariots? I'll give you everything. Just what? How do you find these material things in this world? The treasures of the world. Is it shining for our flesh? But Jesus said, I came here not for those treasures. I came here for my treasures. Who are these treasures? It's my people. So what furniture is that shines inside? The 7 candlesticks, the light of the world. You are the treasures of God. You're the treasures of Jesus. He came here not for the treasures of this world. But he was tempted, because we're going to go through that temptation as well. And after that temptation, Satan was defeated.